This video is presented to you by aedmarket.com, and in today's video, we will guide you through the process of changing the pads and battery in the Physio-Control LIFEPAK CR Plus AED. To ensure your AED is always rescue ready, each unit comes with a Charge-Pak complete with a pad and a battery, with both sets sharing the same expiration date set at 2 years. It's crucial to replace both components at the same time before their expiration date. To start, remove the AED's case. Next, let's replace the pads. Push the on and off button to open the lid and pull out the cable. Be sure to also note the expiration date in the top corner. Plug in the new pads, slide in the convenience tab, and close the lid securely. Next, let's remove the charge stick. Gently push upward and slide it out. Take note of the expiration date located on both the charge stick and pads to ensure precise alignment. When inserting the new charge stick, align it carefully with the side and apply pressure until you hear a distinct and reassuring click. This method ensures a secure and proper installation, maintaining the optimal functionality of your Physio-Control LIFEPAK CR Plus AED. For any inquiries or if you need assistance with purchasing options, feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-441-8378 or visit us online at www.aedmarket.com. Thank you for choosing us, your trusted partner in AED maintenance and support.